I am sitting in a 2012 Dodge Journey. We are going to program two prox keys here to the vehicle. At the moment, they're not programmed. We're going to pull the pin and program. Go ahead and put on your flashes before you start. Go to Dodge, Journey, pin extraction. Read the pin, 2912. Back out 3 screens. Key coding. Program keys. Into the pin. Press enter. Take your fob, first one. Hold up next to the start button. Press unlock twice. Let go. 1 key programmed. Gonna now take the next fob, do the same thing. Hold up next to the start button. There's unlock. Once, twice. Sometimes they go in right away, sometimes there's a slight delay. There we go, 2 keys programmed. Now, let's check our lock and unlock functions. That works. Take the next fob. Perfect. Start the car. And we're done.